Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Monopoly Go application. Here, click on the Friends option in the bottom right corner. Then click on Invite option. Now, in order to fill the invite bar, you can click on Invite option and share the link through different mediums. And if you click on Invite option with Facebook icon, you can invite people through a Facebook link, and if they sign up and create an account through your link, the invite bar will eventually fill and you'll be able to get the reward. So that is how you can fill the invite bar in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.